In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide zero values in Google Sheets on desktop. If your spreadsheet is cluttered with zeros, hiding them can make your data much easier to read without changing any of the underlying numbers. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start by selecting the cells you want to modify. You can highlight a single column, a specific range, or the entire sheet, depending on where you want zeros to disappear. Be intentional with your selection, so you only affect the areas that need a cleaner look. Next, go to the top menu and choose Format, then Number, and open Custom Number Format. This feature controls how values are displayed, and it's perfect for hiding zeros while keeping everything else visible. In the Custom Format box, type the following exactly. 0, 0, at. This code has 4 sections separated by semicolons. The first part, 0, tells Sheets how to show positive numbers. The second, 00, handles negative numbers. The third section is for zeros, and because it's empty, zeros won't be displayed at all. The last section, at, is for text. You're not deleting the zeros, you're simply telling Sheets not to show them. Click Apply to confirm the format. Immediately, any zero in your selected range will appear blank, while all other numbers and text remain visible. Calculations that rely on those cells still work because the underlying values are unchanged. They're just hidden from view. If you work with decimals, the same idea applies. You could use 0.000, 0.00 to keep 2 decimal places visible for non-zero numbers. The key is leaving that third section empty so zeros don't render, while positive and negative values follow the format you prefer. If you're using formulas and want the formula itself to output a blank instead of a zero, wrap the result with a simple check. For example, use if A1 0. A1. Replace A1 with your actual cell reference. This tells the formula to return an empty-looking cell when the result is 0, and to show the value otherwise. It's handy for dashboards or reports where zeros create visual noise. Finally, review your sheet to confirm zeros are no longer visible. Scan the range you formatted and make sure only the intended values show. Totals and other calculations should still be correct because the data wasn't removed. If you need to share or print the sheet, this formatting carries over, keeping everything clean and professional. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now easier to read, with zeros tucked out of sight while your data integrity stays intact.